Hello everyone and welcome to the Vlinkaz channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on filter keys on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. This should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. Without further ado, let's get started. All you have to do is open the search menu and type Settings. The best match should be the Settings app. Go ahead and open it. On the left panel, select Accessibility. Then on the right side under the Vision category, scroll down to the Interaction section and select Keyboard. To enable filter keys, simply toggle the filter key switch to the on position. And that's all you have to do. A very simple process. I hope this helped you out, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next tutorial. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.